Crypto.com is a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange and digital wallet founded in 2017 by the CEO of Monaco, Chris Marszalek. Crypto.com is one of Asia's most successful exchanges with a long history as an established entity within the industry. But how successful is CRO when it comes to Europe or the States? Does this crypto have a future? Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Crypto.com CRO is, how it works, what it does, and more. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Launched in March 2021, Crypto.org chain is the next-generation public blockchain that enables transactions worldwide between people and businesses, providing a decentralized solution to help revolutionize cross-border payments all over the world. Crypto.com is an innovative platform that launched with spot trading functionality and has been developing new features to accommodate the needs of investors on both sides of the table, retail and corporate users alike. Crypto.com offers users a plethora of services like payment, trading, and financial services without any deposit limit or fees, and the Crypto.com coin is the token of the Crypto.com chain. The CRO is a decentralized open-source blockchain created by the firm. Crypto.com offers many cryptocurrencies to choose from. Due to their system protects the users from fraudulent transactions as the payments are blockchain-enabled in a decentralized environment. The company also offers discounts to its users if they pay their amounts in CRO tokens and also invest in the CRO coin. Apart from that, the company is known to offer a decentralized exchange, virtual currency-based credit cards, a marketplace for non-fungible tokens, and their very own crypto wallet. Also, it is probably worth mentioning that the platform allows its users to stake their cryptocurrencies or hold it in a Crypto.com wallet for a specific time and earn about 14.5% interest. There are several benefits of trading on Crypto.com as the company specializes in asset classes that increase in value over a period of time, subjecting the user to financial gains. Crypto.com also shows the situation of several markets across the globe dealing in cryptocurrencies, hence making it a viable investment option. The user can avail their other services like the advisors and consultants of Crypto.com are available to the users and can help them make decisions. As per the company, other services include advantages of enrolling in trading help for an extensive understanding of the process and reading technical analysis of the market and trading smart lines 24/7 support at any time you are stuck to buy crypto and other services, and also on the website for traders. Crypto.com has debuted with the spot trading functionality and will release more features to help provide a suite of cryptocurrency-related services for retail and corporate users alike. The platform's CRO liquidity, along with its various offerings, allow it to stand out among other exchange platforms in this market space, as Crypto.com becomes an all-inclusive future service provider for crypto enthusiasts. The platform is currently in the top 20 centralized trading exchanges, according to CoinMarketCap. The 24-hour trading volume is $730 million, with 975,244 weekly visits, which is quite impressive. CRO blockchain primarily aims at providing utility to the users of Crypto.com's financial, trading, and payment services. Not just that, CRO owners are allowed to stake their coins on Crypto.com chain and act as a validator, along with earning fees for processing transactions on the network itself. CRO coins can also be made use of in settling transaction fees on the Crypto.com chain. Also, Crypto.com app allows its users on the platform to earn token rewards for select listings by simply staking CRO. Speaking of Crypto.com Pay Payments application, the basic framework of the same allows users to also earn a cashback of up to 20% by paying merchants in CRO and up to nearly 10% by buying gift cards and making peer-to-peer transfers to other users on the network. However, it is worth noting that users can even earn an annual interest of about 10 to 12% on their Crypto.com coins, as mentioned previously, by simply staking them on either the Crypto.com's Metal Visa card or Crypto.com exchange app. CRO acts as nothing but an instrument used to power Crypto.com's goal to increase the overall adoption of digital currencies worldwide. The company is said to be constantly developing and finding new use cases that will prove to be a lot more helpful in allowing users to leverage their virtual currencies to enhance their control over their identities, data, and most importantly, their money. At the time this video is uploaded, CRO trades at 42 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of $473,677,457. The price of CRO has increased by 1.87% in the last 24 hours. Furthermore, CRO has a current circulating supply of 25.2 billion CRO. Currently, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for CRO are OKX, CoinTiger, Wobi Global, FTX, and Upbit. Now, let's proceed to the next part of this CRO price prediction for 2021. What needs to be observed here is that right from inception, the coin did not show any movement and lay sluggish in the market, as if driven by volatility trends without any ray of hope for investors to trade. Although there were changes and developments taking place in blockchain technology, this asset remains lackadaisical to budge an inch and show drop mode. The data shows that the value of the CRO coin price didn't really move any higher than 27 cents per coin to encourage trade in the crypto market. Then, as if a volcano erupted, the coin made its way through many other counterparts, moving to 17 cents in a few months during the last year. A boom time that is the bull driving the CRO price chase actually materialized from February 2021, when the coin price moved up to 22 cents per coin for transactions. Wallet Investor said, the price of existing CRO tokens is around $0.119 per coin worth as of date, with a bright future for trade, making investors buy CRO tokens. Based on our CRO price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is around its major resistance level of $0.518. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 328.1%. A lot can be said about Crypto.com partnerships and corporate responsibility factors that are known to push the price momentum of the crypto CRO coin. Crypto.com has recently acquired an Australian financial services license. It has also launched $200 million funds for crypto startups as an aggressive gesture. The Crypto.com exchange has also launched an NFT platform. If the crypto market turns favorable, this digital asset, Crypto.com coin, is set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, it would indeed show signs of fortune for its traders. Backed by robust smart contracts, the CRO coin price may easily touch 25 cents by the end of the year 2021. Crypto.com has been around for a while, and it's always good to see an established move in their blockchain developments. However, should we invest in this project? Crypto.com chain and Chronos chain were created, showing that the project is catching the market trend. However, compared to other giants like Binance or Huobi, Crypto.com blockchains have not had much growth. We need more time to observe their developments before making investment decisions. In February 2021, the team announced the token burn event, which decreased the total supply to over 30 billion CRO. This means there will be less CRO available in the market after this event. The team behind the project has roots in both the IT and finance industries, which is a great sign that they will be able to make this innovative idea come to fruition. The native token of Crypto.com can be used widely in every part of its ecosystem. This means the popularity of the token will increase as long as Crypto.com chain and Chronos chain develop. CRO has a bright future ahead of it from 2021 to 2025. With ongoing developments happening within the CRO ecosystem and the overall crypto market, we may see CRO reach new heights. Meanwhile, our long-term CRO price prediction for 2021 is bullish. In addition, it has a high possibility of surpassing over 74 cents and may reach above $1 this year. However, that will only happen if it breaks past many psychological resistances. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on CRO? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.